with me. And it's hot. Hot oil, so.
Does that mean light it on fire and bathe in it?
Yes. Oh God, so it's not coming out the way I want it to. Oh, yeah, it is. So yeah, his shit was ready for it, that's for sure. Yeah, there you go, that's what you want to see. Yeah, and these tubes, normally they'll clip them up so that they can't leak, and all you gotta do is take them down.
And then they just naturally.
Yep. And that's why.
Themselves.
That's why I have it tilted. Do you hear it? Glub,
Yeah.
glub, 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 glub. I'll take the dipstick out too to kind of give it a vacuum. Yeah, that's what you want to see right there. Yeah, the way that they designed this, they made it, when you actually have a hose on here, I'll cut it for him and put his hoses somewhere up in here, but real easy, real easy. Take that.
Hey Jay, why do you have those pants on?
'Cause I'm an idiot.